Now, if you want to add an author bio here for your blog post in Shopify, well, this one is actually pretty easy. So, what we're going to do here is we're going to utilize something what we call definitions in Shopify. Now, basically, it's a way for you to add like custom, let's just say like fields, images, or whatever you want to add to certain meta fields in your content here. So, at the bottom left here, you want to go to settings and you want to go ahead and just choose the option for meta fields and meta objects at the left panel here. Now from here you want to go to blog post, and from here you want to go and just click on the add definition. Now you want to go and just add the name for it. So let's just say it is going to be an author bio. Now obviously you could go and just add this whatever field name you want, but let's go and just keep this as this one. You want to go and choose your type here. So I'm going to list like values here. Now let's go and select the type. Like for example, maybe I want to add a let's just say a section or a number of text here. So obviously you could add like images in here as well if you want. Let's go ahead and choose a option here. Now, if you only want to add like a simple bio here, you can go and just change this to one value. And again, just choose whatever you want. So I'm going to use like a single line in here. And we're good with this one. This is just a basic one. Let's go ahead and click on save at the top section. And once you've done that, you want to go and just exit the section. Again, we name this as author bio here. We'll be using that later on. Let's go and close this one. Now, you want to go to your blog post here, and you want to go ahead and just access the post or blog post that you want to add the author bio on. Now, from here, you want to go to the author bio section and just basically add the description of the author here. So basically, you could just say that this is going to be a, let's just say, a test bio for first author. And you could go ahead and basically save this as you want. Click on save. Now, as an example, I'm going to go to blog post again. Click on create, add blog post here. This is going to be a blog 2, and it's going to be a test instead. And let's go and click on save. Now, once you've done that, you want to go ahead and click on online store at the left side here. You want to go and just choose the option here for edit theme. Now, in here, what we need to do next is you want to go and click on the home page at the top section, go to blog post, and you want to go and click on default blog post. Now, in here, what we need to do is you want to go ahead and just add your sections here. So, in this case, you want to go to the left side, click on add section, and choose whichever that fits whatever you want here. Now, it depends on what you want. So, if you added like an image section as well, you can go and choose image with text. But if you just want to add rich text here, just use rich text, and from here just delete whatever you don't need here. So we just need the text section here, so let's go and select that. At the right side, you want to go and just delete the content that's already existing here, and at the right side here you should see the connect dynamic source. Now from here you want to go and just choose the option for author bio here, and again you can go and just add whatever you want here, so add descriptions or whatever, but let's go and click on save. Now, once you've saved that, you can go and just exit this page. As you can see, this is the test here for blog 2. This is what we input for blog 2. Let's go and go back here. So just to view idea, I'm going to go to content, go to blog post, and we're going to view each one of them. So for test here, let's go and view this. This is what the title is, and this is what we actually added before. So this is the test bio for your first order. Now, if you go to blog 2 here, let's go and view that. As you can see, it's just going to be test here. So yeah, so that's how you add an author bio here for your blog post in Shopify. Now obviously you could go ahead and just edit this further. Like for example, if you want to reference like certain elements or certain details inside your store, you could go and do that. There's advanced things, but that's the basics here on how to add an author bio to your blog post. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.